However, it was my judgment, informed by my national security team, that releasing these photos would inflame anti-American opinion and allow our enemies to paint U.S. troops with a broad, damning, and inaccurate brush, thereby endangering them in theaters of war.
We have a report that indicates you've actually asked for an expanded list of targets in Syria, and one military official told NBC News, characterized it as mission creep. Can you respond to that report?
That report is inaccurate, and some of the reporting out there has been somewhat inaccurate, understandably, because the P5+1, the members of the permanent members of the Security Council, in addition to and Germany as well, have kept the negotiations fairly tight, because when you're a candidate and you say something that is inaccurate or controversial, it has less impact than it does when you're President of the United States.